Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking music that explicitly allows use on YouTube Shorts. You can't guess. Search YouTube Audio Library or a licensed service, filter for tracks cleared for social use, and download the track file. Once done, save the license proof, screenshot the license page, and keep the invoice or agreement. You should rename the audio file with the license ID and the artist name, so you can always prove permission quickly when disputes arise. Next, you import the licensed track into your editor and trim it to fit the short's pace. Make sure volume is matched and no fade removes required credit lines. Once edited, add a concise credit line in the video description, track title, artist, license ID, and provider. Then set your upload metadata to include the license and keep the original audio file saved. Also double-check platform tools. Only use platform-provided music marked safe for shorts. Finally, you upload the short and immediately paste the license text into both description and a pinned comment so viewers and reviewers see it. Make sure automatic claim checks run and monitor copyright notifications for 24/72 hours. If a claim appears, respond through YouTube's dispute form, attach your license screenshot and receipt, and explain the licensed use. Be concise and factual. Troubleshooting tip: if the dispute fails, keep the alternate license track ready and reupload, or escalate with the provider's support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.